Will Uber drivers now receive guaranteed pay? I'm so excited because if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker, you could start making a guaranteed set amount of dollars every single time you go out and drive. You don't have to, goodbye of the days where you go out and you only make $10. You could be making $38 per hour with this new guaranteed pay feature, which I'm gonna have a link below to sign up. And yeah, when you use that link, you're actually gonna get $10 bonus just for signing up for free. And it comes through the form of this app. So the app is called Solo. And like I said, I'm gonna go over the guaranteed pay feature so that when you do sign up, you get access to these. But I just wanted to, show you how legit this is. Uber and Convoy vets land $5.3 million for a new startup called Solo that helps gig workers make more money. They have a guaranteed pay feature, and you can still be flexible on your own schedule, and you can still get a guaranteed amount of money. And they just got $5.3 million in funding. You can see right here. And if you go to their website, you can actually see that we're on the homepage, the Rideshare Guy's on the homepage, Pedro's on the homepage. Y'all have seen all of these guys, and this company is super legit. So the way it basically works is once you sign up, and again, you have to use our link to get that $10 and link your gig account. It's totally free. And you can get access to some of these really cool features where they track your miles automatically. It's like it's literally called the business app. Yeah, business app for couriers, business app for gig workers. And so they're gonna help you track all your expenses for taxes. So you actually, if you've ever thought, oh gosh, I hate taxes, stress me out. Taxes used to stress me out all the time till I hired an accountant. But I mean, Solo's helping drivers really, they even have tax projections of how much money you might owe in taxes. So they have a totally free version anywhere in the United States. And then they have some of these other more, complex ones, $3.99 a month, which comes with the automated mileage tracking and federal tax projections. They're gonna tell you how much you might owe in taxes. And then the $7.99 a month one, which it's a 14-day risk-free trial. And they have, that's where you get the daily guaranteed pay. So let's go over the guaranteed pay really quickly. And as you can see here, it's only available in select areas. However, if you do sign up in an area where it's not, it's gonna help them expand to that area for the guaranteed pay feature. Again, you can sign up anywhere in the country for free, and then you get access to all the other features. I know it's a newer company, so they're not everywhere yet, and they are trying to expand worldwide. But yeah, for now, this is how it works. So 10 a.m., sign up, click the plus button here, and you can start earning $37 in that hour. You have to be logged on and driving for Uber in that hour. So let's say you go out and you only make 32 bucks. Well, they're gonna pay you $5 difference, right? Let's say you only make $28. They're gonna pay you $9 difference, so you can make that $37. DoorDash, you wanna do different apps, 38 bucks. So anyways, check the link out down below for Solo. And again, this does work for all of the major apps like Amazon Flex, DoorDash, Grubhub, GoPuff, Instacart, Lyft, Shipt, Uber, and Uber Eats. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know once you sign up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.